Today we talk about how can you download on your app. So we'll go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that in your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, so here can just looking for any seasons you want to download. I'm going to click here on this season here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. You're scrolling down here and you will find here seasons. Season 1 in 2 in 3 in 4 here. So then when you click on this sign, and if you want to download all, just click on this sign. If you want to download one seasons or two or three or four, can you just click on this sign here. So before that you have to go get premium, then it's going to download the video. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.